how to replace windscreen washer pump on Fiat Ducato, also Peugeot Boxer and Citroen Relay. I have removed the bonnet and the scuttle because I have to replace the linkages for windscreen wipers, and there is your filling bottle for windscreen washer fluid, and down there, get my other hand, is the pump. The hose is attached here, but that's gone out with the scuttle, so the hose will just be unplugged, and you literally twist it and lift it off out of the bottle. Then you'll have to squeeze these wires and pull the connector up. I'll have to use two hands for that, so I'll get the camera off in a second. And there it is, that's how it looks removed. And get the replacement one. That's the replacement one. And plug it back into the reservoir, to the tank. Just got a bit of dust there. Clean that up. There you go, it's plugged in. That's a cable. Plug it until you hear the click. And then, to test, ignition on and use the wipers. Yeah, spraying windscreen washer fluid everywhere. That's good, means it works. And that's how you replace windscreen washer pump. It's back there. You can do it without removing scuttle and everything else. It's a bit more awkward, but you don't need any tools really to get to it, because all it needs is just unplugging, just pulling out. There you go. That's the pump. It costs £10 off very well-known internet auction site. There's a couple other bits there that you don't really need. Thank you for watching.